Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a TikTok account. First, we're going to open the TikTok app. Then, we're going to press use phone or email when it says sign up. You could use Facebook, Apple or Google for this method. Then, it asks you for your birthday. Here we can use our phone number or our email address to sign up. I'm going to use my email address here. Then we have to create a password. Here we have to verify our email address. Our emails as a code, and we have to enter the code. Now we create a nickname that will be associated with on the app. Then we can choose to choose interests or we can skip, and that's it. We've created your account.